First of all, I would like to unmute and spot PDG Sunil Saraf. Can you unmute yourself?
Yes, hello everybody. Good
Yeah.
evening. A great feeling being amongst all of you virtually. And just heard the outgoing president. Good job done, my friend. Good job.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Then we have amongst us Arijit Endo sir, PDG of 1314. Sir, can you unmute and say a few words? Hello? Sir, can you unmute yourself? First of all, thanks for joining.
Police, are you there?
Yeah, Anjana.
Yeah.
Good evening to everybody. I
Good
have
evening.
already sent my word of appreciation to the outgoing president and welcoming the new president on your Silver Jubilee celebration. I think that will be played later on. So
Yes, sir.
all the best to everybody. So I will be waiting for that. So all the best to everybody, all Rotarians of Rotary Club of Shivsagar. Thank you.
Thank you. We have Basan Garodia sir, but his video is not there.
Prabhat Kedia.
Prabhat Kedia, sir. We have Kamal Jain sir. He's pioneer in making Rotary Club of Shivsagar. Sir, can you unmute and say a few words? We'll be playing your video, but just I just want to focus you. Thank you for joining.
Good evening, everyone.
Thank you, Dr. Mohan.
First of all, thank you very much for inviting me to your Silver Jubilee installation meeting. I would like to give my good wishes to the outgoing as well as the new incoming team. Wish you all the best. And as in the past, Rotary Club of Shivsagar has been doing humanitarian work. I am sure it will continue to do even better. And I wish Rotarian Dr. Barwa all the best for the Silver Jubilee celebrations. Thank you.
We have Prabhat Kedia, sir. Can you unmute yourself and say a few words? We'll be playing your video, but just thanks for joining.
Yes, thank you.
with us.
Thank you, Dr. Mohua. Thank you for inviting me here in your meeting today. My all the best wishes to Dr. Barua and your team, incoming team for the year 2021. My only wish, as I have told in my video also, that yours is a strong club of 50 members now. We want to see a governor, district governor from Rotary Club of Shivsagar in the coming years. Thank you. Thank you very much.
We have PDG Odit Aram, sir. Welcome to our installation ceremony. Sir, please unmute and say a few words. Thank you for joining.
It's a privilege to be in Shivsagar virtually. My best wishes to one and all present the 25th installation of the club. I'm happy that people from Shivsagar did remember me. My visits to Upper Assam is well remembered, and I wish the incoming team all the success. And like Prabhatji has just mentioned, that we would like to see somebody coming up from Shivsagar in the coming near future. Thank you and all the best.
Thank you, sir. Can I have Kirti Ranjan Dey, sir? Sir.
You want to go? Manisha?
Sir, can you unmute yourself? We have Basan Garodia, sir, also.
Vibhuti Datta. Moni Pegi.
Kirti Ranjan Dey, sir.
His audio is off.
He's muted. Can anyone recognize? Help me to find out. We have Dr. Robi Kutta sir in the guest. I have seen just joining our sir. Welcome to our installation ceremony. Thanks for joining. President sir, can you unmute yourself and Orunda?
Welcome, sir.
Thank you so much, and good evening to every one of you. And it's very pleasure meeting you virtually, because I mean, pandemic has its own challenges, but human brain is sharper than even pandemic. Maybe over a period of time we will overcome pandemic, but at least meeting together through this system and on this great occasion, of course, Sibsagar is almost like my second home. So glad to be joining with you and spend some time with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
We have guests from US, my schoolmate, and Arundhati Goswami and Robin Goswami joining us. They'll be performing today. So welcome to our installation ceremony.
Thank you, Anjana.
Thank you, Anjana. Good evening, everyone. Nice to see all of you, all my Sibsagar friends, Sibsagar Rotary Club friends.
So many known faces.
Thank you for joining.
Thanks.
I'll introduce later on. As now I cannot see any. Anmona Baidu is there. Vibhuti Datta is there. Unmute me. Can say people. Anmona Baidu. I'll focus it.
Hello, Anmona Baidu, could you please share a few words?
Baidu, please.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining.
Welcome,
Yeah, my pleasure.
Vibhuti, yes.
Vibhuti.
Welcome.
Hi, good evening.
Thank you for your presence.
Thanks, Mohua. Had it not been coronavirus, we would have been at Sibsagar today.
Now moving to our next agenda, I'd like to request outgoing Secretary Rotary and Manjit Podloy to present his yearly report.
Chief guest or installation officer, incoming president, incoming secretary, outgoing president, and my near and dear fellow Rotarians. So, let me read out the secretary report. What we have done, what the RC Sibsagar has done in last 2019 and 20. Avenue of service-wise completed project of RC Sibsagar during the year 2019-20. Club service. 24th installation ceremony was held on 18th July 2019. Weekly meetings were held regularly as planned, except the lockdown period. Meetings are now being held on online platforms. 8 BODs and 2 club assemblies have been held during the tenure. Club bulletins are published regularly on bi-monthly basis, apart from special issues on installation and disability. Semi-annual district dues and dues for Rotary News were sent on time. Independence Day was celebrated with large participation of members. Republic Day was observed in presence of the members and their families. Charter Day was celebrated on 26th January 2020. Community service. Drinking water distribution to participants of Golden Jubilee procession of Sibsagar Commerce College on 1st July. Medical camps at Rupohimukh and Gotonga village for flood affected people on 27th July and 23rd September respectively. Laparoscopy sterilization camp held at Ligiri on 30th July. Talk on peace and conflict resolution was held at club on 2nd August, where BK Rakesh Seni was the resource person. distribution of food items for differently able children at Jaisagar on 15 August. Public awareness program through street play about plastic and polythene ban in association with the NGO Novaru, the Rising, on 8th September. Nation Builder Award given to 6 teachers for their service on 13th September in presence of DC Sibsagar as guest of honor. BMD camp at Khemka Maternity Center on 13th September. Dustbin distributed at Civil Hospital, Jaisagar on 27th October. Talk on lifestyle diseases organized at club on 8th November, where Mr. Digonto Kakoti of Guwahati was the resource person. A central pipeline oxygen supply project, a flagship project of RC Sibsagar, installed at Sibsagar Civil Hospital under Rotary District 3240 Foundation grant, was declared open to the public by the DG Rotarian Dr. Devashish Das during his official visit to the club on 2nd March. Rotary Club of Sibsagar, in association with Integrated Disease Surveillance Program, organized an awareness meeting on novel coronavirus COVID-19 on the 3rd of March. RC Sibsagar, in association with Foxy, in celebrating International Women's Day on 8th March to raise awareness on breast and cervical cancer. In view of the novel coronavirus pandemic, Rotary Club of Sibsagar took the initiative in arranging hand washing and sanitization awareness in Sibsagar town, including installation of hand washing facilities at 2 different locations for the public on 20th March. A total of 2,000 face masks and the remaining, 2,000 face masks. From those 2,000 face masks, 1,200 face masks are from our members, and the remaining are from district. And as many hand sanitizers as well as soap bars were distributed among different organizations, offices, and public, including the office of the Deputy Commissioner, Sibsagar, and Joint Director of Health Services, Superintendent of Police, Sibsagar District, Sub-Division Officer, Nazira, Demo Model Hospital, Ligiri Pukri PHC, Sibsagar Drug Dealers, Civil Defense, Cleanliness Workers of Sibsagar Municipality, Media Person, etc. During the months of April, May, and June 2020. Public relation. Media coverage of major projects of RC Sibsagar in both English and Assamese newspapers was satisfactorily done. 4 members of RC Sibsagar participated in the opening of Eye Hospital by Lions Club of Sibsagar as the invited guest. Now, vocational service. Microwave cooking classes held at club on 22nd November in association with LG India, with participation of ANS and other family members of our members. Vocational awards were given away to Ramji Thakur, barber, and Mistry Lal Das, laundryman, for their dedication towards their profession during DG visit on 2nd March. Promotion of 4-way test done by distribution of the same at Tennis Club Sibsagar and Sibsagar Civil Hospital, Jaisagar. Now, youth service. Rotaryites were felicitated for their academic excellence during installation. 80 students underwent 4-day training in Kathak dance at club from 8 to 11 January 2020, where internationally renowned dance exponent Sudeshna Maulik was the resource person. It was a proud moment for RC Sibsagar when as many as 6 prizes were won by our Rotaryites and young leaders at International E-Raila